In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on your Wise account. Whether you're new to Wise or just looking to streamline the process of getting paid, this guide will walk you through each step to successfully request and receive funds. First, you'll want to head over to the Wise homepage. If you already have an account, that's great. Just make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left-hand side. Locate the option labeled Payments, which is a crucial hub for managing all your financial transactions within Wise. After clicking on Payments, the next stop is the Payment Requests section. This is where you initiate your request to receive money. It acts as your personal invoice system, making it easy to ask for the funds you need. Click on the payment requests and let's proceed to request money from anyone you want. This part is particularly user-friendly, allowing you to send out a request with just a few clicks. Now, you'll want to click on the Request a Payment button. This brings up a form for you to fill out, which may prompt you to enter details about who you're requesting money from. Don't worry if you're unsure about the process. Wise has streamlined it so that even if you are doing it for the first time, you'll find it straightforward. As you move forward, click on the Start option. This is essentially the launchpad for your payment request. At this stage, you can input the name or Wise tag of the person from whom you're requesting payment. If you've used Wise before, you'll notice this intuitive feature makes it super easy to connect with others, especially if they're already in your contact list. When prompted, click on Anyone. This option gives you the flexibility to request money without confinement to specific contacts, making it perfect for any situation, whether it's business, personal, or simply splitting a bill. Finally, you'll reach a screen that displays a QR code along with a link that you can copy. This is your very own personalized payment request. Share this link with the person from whom you're requesting the money. You can save this QR code or link by clicking on the Copy Your Link option to ensure you have it handy whenever you need it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage receiving payments directly into your Wise account. With their seamless platform, handling transactions has never been easier, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.